As explained in other videos, 1. The dollar is the world's dominant currency by far, but 2. History makes it clear that this status tends to be temporary. It therefore makes sense to at least think about what could eventually replace the dollar, and there are quite a few options. For example, 1. Another currency, but at this point in time, there doesn't seem to be a believable candidate, with the European Union dealing with deeply divisive political issues and China nowhere near ready. 2. A basket of currencies, such as the International Monetary Fund's SDR or special drawing rights, with 5 currencies included at this point: the US dollar, the euro, the Japanese yen, the British pound, and the Chinese renminbi. 3. A single commodity, such as, of course, gold. 4. Anything else that is perceived as valuable, for example, things like land, an option chosen by the Germans after their hyperinflation episode with the Rentenmark due to not having decent enough gold reserves. 5. A basket of commodities, or, again, a basket of anything else perceived as valuable. All in all, as is frequently the case, it all boils down to one word: confidence. As long as there is confidence in the dollar, the current system persists, and should that eventually be lost, the dollar's replacement needs to, you've guessed it, pass the confidence test, and there are no certainties. To put it differently, it would be a mistake to see this in an exact science manner, and instead, we need to understand that variables such as emotion and psychology play a crucial role in the world of economics.